Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about what is extended reporting framework in our testing. See, basically this extend reports is basically we when we are going to user friendly, we want to see the proper output, then we can able to use this extend reports. Basically, on the previous video, I explained like a default TestNG report, right? To overcome the default one, we are not able to see the proper output, right? And it is not look and feel, and it is giving clumsy, and we can't say like that is proper output, correct? Now see, this is the way it is showing. It is not the correct way to even user cannot understand the proper way, right? To overcome that, this extent reports we can able to use and we can able to utilize that. Now here I am going to explain like a this Maven 3.1 version. Okay, this is basically Maven dependency, or you can able to download for jar or else Gradle project, whatever it may be. If you want to use how you want to use, that way we can able to use for this report. See, now I'm copying Maven 1. If you download the jar file and have to add it here, we need to click here and we need to right click build path, then we need to go for configure path, and then you need to add external jar, and where your location is presented for that particular extent report, then that jar you have to add it and save, apply, close. Okay, now here I'm using for Maven repository. Now I'm going to copy pasting here and to save. Once I save, it will generate for jars to that Maven repository. It will download that all the jars related to extend reports and all. Okay. Once it is generated, then we can able to create our basic example. Like, see, there are so many ways how we can able to create the extended report object, and how we can able to use also. They are given some examples here. Okay, and we can able to go ahead all the ways, or else you can able to click for example. Okay, in this example also we can like in depth, I'll explain you next videos. This is a normal. Okay, just for how we can able to add it our plugin and how we can able to reuse for in our test engine. Okay, set up for this normal my extend report into my project. Once I added this one, and then just I'm going to add one class, and just I'm going to add for class as extend report, and I'm going to copy paste for the code what I copied from website. Okay. Now I need to import this all the jars we can able to import for one by one. Else we can able to do it for to copy pasting also. Now my extend report jars I'm going to importing for that one by one, and the test and status also we can save it. And last one, throw exception. Okay, now all the content we added here, basically what will happen, this starting that extendable HTML reporter. Okay, first it will start and it will provide the extend.html, and extend reports, and that is the object of that particular uh, entire attachments. What are the things we are creating that entire reports information, that all we are going to adding this place. For that report purpose we need to add one by one what are the things, what we need to add into particular step by step into our report. Okay, for that it is like attachment. And if you say like a Gmail, if you are open Gmail or Outlook, you are going to add for files, right? The same way it will add it one by one into this place, and after that it will add into the HTML report. And attaching purpose we are doing extend test is the one object. This is basically logger 4j, how it is work the same way it is taking. And we need to create one test, and there we need to provide some first, we need to provide some description for that particular logger. Once we provided what kind of information you want, like status you want to saving here, and you can able to, and if you want to information you want to save it, then you can. And if it is failing the script and you want to add it, then you can able to add it here. And what will happen, it will capture the screenshot and it will store, or else you can able to directly do it for test dot add screen capture from path. You can able to provide some path where you are storing. And previous video I explained like how to fail the script and how to take the screenshot, right? In the screenshot folder it will provide some data, correct? This data using this screenshot you can able to add it manually and to here. Okay, after everything is coming, then we need to close that flash. Once you close the flash, it will close it all the things and it will add into our report. Now you can see here, once you run this program and you can able to understand what exactly this report. And we are not, we done that execution completion. Okay, now I'm going to refresh that entire project, whether this report is generated or not. See here, there is a one file is there, extend HTML. In our class also it is presented the same path, extend.html. And the project structure place here it is added for extend.html. Okay. See now previous report how it is looking, and even we are not getting the proper logs and all, right? And it is showing just pass or fail only, not showing anything. And if you coming here and if you see these all the things like dashboard side, what all the things are added, and the screenshot, what type of screenshots, and it is added here, correct? This is a way it will add it. And if it is something is failed, then we can able to see the red mark, and we can able to go ahead for the percentage, how much pass, how many fail, how many steps are executed, how many scenarios added, how many methods it is executed. This way we can able to get end to end. You can able to click here extend. This event is basically extend report. You can able to take which version of extend report you are using, and we copy paste it just now like 3.1.5. In this place the version, which version you are using, what time it is executed, this all the things it is in details it will provide. Comparing to this test engine default report, we can able to use extend reports. This is a simple setup how we need to do for extend report. No need to bother about that. You can go to this location and take the example and copy paste, and you can train your local, then you can able to understand what exactly that methods it is doing. And next video I will explain you like how we can able to use for our test ng for this report. Okay, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel.